Hello. If you want to know how I got these nice, beautiful, colorful Hawaiian earrings made, make sure you stay tuned for the video that's ready to come. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a tutorial on the Hawaiian earring that I've done the short on. I will be doing a tutorial on that. So stay tuned. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. And hit that bell notification so you know when I post another video or when you want to see more videos. So this is the Hawaiian earring that I've done. I'm going to show y'all the tools and everything that I use for it. So stay tuned and I'll be back. First you're going to need this wiring right here. Then you'll need this first step looper. Hold on, see that, there you go. And then you will need the these spacers, and them are the circle spacers, and then you'll need the little flowers, and then of course the jut rings, and then the earring hook thing that go in your ear. Did anything else? No, I don't think so. So let's get into it. So what I'm doing is just separating the items. I have to get another one of them jut rings because that one is not going to fit on there. And with the jut rings, you would need 4 of them. 4 jut rings. That's how many you would need. So I got 3 right here. Well, there go the 4th one. So, and of course, if you need more spacers, circle spacers, I can always go and get them out of my spacer things. So what I'm going to do now is open up my first step looper and use this to take my wiring and bend the thing for it to stay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it this way. What I'm gonna do is take it and put it through here and make sure that it stays, and then I'm gonna take it and cut it off and loop it. So you will have the little loop hole thing. So now what I'm going to do is look at this pattern on this earring and go by that. So first will be the spacer, the circle spacer. Then we're going to go in with the blue. So as you're doing it, you put it on there and it hooks like this. So I'm going to keep doing it like that. The spacer, and then let me see. The light purple. Bring it down and loop it like that. So you have it like this. And then I'm going to keep going with the pattern until I get to the end. And then you want to turn it this way and bring it around so it can look like this in between and that on top. And then we're going to do it again. What color is it now? We're going to do green, blue, whatever color that is. And then we're going to keep going until it's finished. Well, until I'm finished with it. So then, but I got these flowers. I got these at Hobby Lobby. I have to get me some more. I have got these at Hobby Lobby. And the spacers off Amazon. Well, these off Amazon. I have another one that I got it from Hobby Lobby. So we have hot pink. Then we're gonna do red. And I'm gonna show y'all how it looks in my ear because this is mine's. Y'all want one done, some done, just let me know. But yeah, this one is mine. So I'm gonna put it in my ear and let y'all see how it look in my ear. So I'll be back. So this is what it looks like so far. Halfway there. And then you go with another. Make sure I got this in the camera because I want y'all to see how I'm doing this. I don't have no more dark purple, so I would do another light purple. It's still purple. Just light. Then we're going to do this green with the color again. And then we're going to do orange. So I got 2 of these on there. And then the spacer. So this is what I have so far. I have to go and get the pink, the light pink out of here. Make sure it's the same color as that pink. Let's get the light pink out of there. And tell you the truth, it's just about this, the right amount of spacers. I don't want that color. That's rose gold. So this is what it looks like. What I'm going to do is take it and bend it up like this. And I'm going to need this again so I can put it through. Because it's a little hole right here. If y'all can see it. A little hole right here that I put this through and bring it around. Make sure it's right. And then take it and bend it. And you see how it bounced off. So yeah. Then I'm going to take these pliers, if it ain't right, take it and squeeze it, the wiring, so it can go closer to the wiring part. Now with my jerk rings, I'm going to need this, because this part right here hooks onto it and open it up just like that. So I'm going to put it in the hoop right here, the loop, and take these pliers in the wrong way and twirl it around so that it will stay. So when I'm done with it, it's like that. I'm going to do it on all of them and I'll be back. So what I'm going to do now, see, it's like this. What I'm going to do now is take another jump ring and open it up. And I'm going to hook it on this one. Swirl it on there. And make sure that matches up with this one. So and do it like this. Make sure it's right. Yep, it's right. So I'm going to take another joint ring. Take the other joint ring. Open it up. And put it on the middle one. Take it and twirl it. But instead I'm going to, hold on. Twirl it and then, yep, the way that I want it. And then twirl this one on. And then you have the set of Hawaiian earrings. So now what I'm going to do, put it in my ear. And this is what it's looking like. Sorry. This is what it's looking like. I got a short neck, so I mean it's, but the earrings. I like them. I think they is real cute. They come from the dome, from God to my dome to do these. And I just did a tutorial on them. So this is the end of my video of the tutorial for these earrings. If you want to see any more, let me know and I will get y'all the video, get it out. And I will be doing a tutorial on these right here, on this phone bracelet strap. I will be doing a tutorial on that one too. But yeah, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when I post another video. Bye.